That smells good. Craig here with 3 Bowl. Today we're going to dry hop. So the reason why we dry hop is because when you bring it up to your nose, you smell. And the first thing you're going to smell is the dry hopped effect that the brewers try to get out of that beer. And when you drink that beer, that aroma stays with the beer and it goes down your palate and it completes that flavor to that IPA. That's why we dry hop. All right, so first we need to measure out the hops. Okay, we got our hops. Let's go to the fermenter. This is worse than Jack. We're going to pour these pelletized hops inside our fermenter. This is a 15-barrel fermenter. The beer's up to right about here. We're going to add a lot of hops to this. Some brewers use mesh bags. We used to. Some in smaller batches will use a mesh bag, but normally we just dump it right into the batch. What happens, it settles to the bottom within about 2 or 3 hours. Not all of it, but some of it, and then we force CO2 to the bottom throughout a couple, 3 days, and we recirculate those dry hops on the bottom. Given that this is a hazy, we really want to introduce a lot of dry hops to this beer. Yep. Some fermenters have what they call a hop port, which is usually a 4-inch opening. On these fermenters we have is about 1.5 inches, so we got to go through the funnel. A lot more work, and it sucks. Holy shit! This is where my wrist is starting to go down. Whew. Here we had a lot of fun. I get in this motherfucker. After doing 33 pounds of pelletized hops, we definitely got to get a motherfucker. Here we just added 55 pounds of pelletized hops in different combinations. Some Cascade, Centennial, Citra, Equinaut to this 6-barrel batch. It's going to be a little hoppy. Some people say I should add a little bit more, but I go a little conservative. Hops are a little bit expensive. You know, I'm saying I'm doing my part to try to bring down the amount of hops I use in my beer. Here we're back from dry hopping. Again, the dry hop process is adding a whole bunch of hops that you might have, hops that you like. They can be bittering hops, they can be aroma hops, they can be a whole bunch of hops. A lot of things with hops are people are always going for the latest and greatest. Citra is a very hot and heavy one right now, and next week there's going to be something else. The problem with those hops is they're very expensive and everybody wants them, so the Cascade is still going fairly cheap, and they're really the grandfather of all the aroma hops. So drink up, America. That smells good.